the AlgoJewels begin to shine. The code I type, a divine design. AJ components, a shimmering grace. Crafting jewels in this virtual space. A diamond ring with a perfect stone. An earring's curve, a shape unknown. From the abstract map, a physical plea. The magic of AJ for all to see. The data flows, a list of points. A sphere is born at all the joints. I sculpt a setting, a filigree thread with logic and loops inside my head. The slider moves, the parameters change. The diamond's cut, I can rearrange from a simple seed, a complex form. I weather the digital creative storm.